Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel. Let's see, today we'll see PowerPoint homepage. So it's very important for beginners of PowerPoint who want to be learn. So let us see, this is first page, or you can be open PowerPoint. Just to be type here PowerPoint, you can go there PowerPoint. Okay, you can open. When you open PowerPoint, okay, there the two option will be there. One is the blank presentation, one more manual will be there. So I'm taking here blank presentation. So when I have taken presentation, so you can see this is, you can say this area is called slide. What you can say, this is slide, and first one is here upside, you can say this is status bar, and here are menu bar. So all short menus will be there, and left side the slides should be show you how it's working on, and this is a status bar on down one. So let's see today. So when you open PowerPoint, first one slide will become, that slide is supposed to be, it will be text box will be this. Suppose written here, click to add title. You can write here, I am writing here computer, or any title you can write for text, and click subtitle, best subject I am writing. So depend upon your work, you can be put your themes. See, this is the one slide writing. Okay, same you want to be take one more slide. See, this is the slide area. So if you want to be take one more slide, you can take here new slide also. Here when you click here new slide, so office themes will be there. When you click the new slide, many themes will be there. Depend upon your work, you can be selected. First one is title slide, for only writing the purpose of titles you can use. Second, here you can see title and content. So you can use title as well as content, and section header, only section wise you can use, and to content and comparison. So these are the slides you can be see. I'll tell you one, title and content. So when I've taken this one, is the two options. You can keep your title also, even content also will be there. You can see here, these are the images is there. So when you click image, you can be insert here. So in PowerPoint, you want to be insert table. So just you click here, you can get table here. Suppose number of columns and rows you type, it will become the table. So like this in PowerPoint also, if you want to be insert table as a Excel, you can be use the insert table. And suppose you want to be insert chart, how you preparing chart in table Excel. So same way you can be use it. And insert clip smart art graphics. If you want to be graphics also, you can be used. See, we have seen in MS Word this graphics. So if you want to be insert, you can be use which kind of you have to select, you can be use it. And you can insert pictures also. If you want to be pictures, you can from here also you can use, and insert menu also you can use pictures, all and pictures. If you have internet connections, if you want new, already what you people have images, apart from you want new one, then you can search online also. And this is insert video. Suppose you want to be insert video in this slide. Suppose I'll take one insert video. See, I have to select here, you can take online, or you can take your this one from a file, means your PC, and YouTube also you can take. See, just I'm browsing myself in my device. See, I have some many videos are there, so I will be take any one video. Just will click video here. So that will video will be here. If you want to play, you can play the that video in here. So this is the inserting in PowerPoint video chart. Okay, whatever content are there, you can be use that one. So this is the one process for using that, this content use for this shortly you can use the. So instead of going on Excel, going on a video, you can be directly you can be insert here. Okay, that is one content, two content. Okay, this you can say slide 1, slide 2. So if you want to be keep this only same, just you can use control D. So you can see one more slide come, that is control D. Okay, you can use control D for slide duplication. And you can see here cut, copy, paste. So you want to be copy computer, just to select and do the copy, control C copy, and cut means just control X you can cut. Okay, After doing copy, you can paste also. Copy means it will be copy, control C, copy, and if you want to click a paste, the paste will be there. Or you can be use control V also. See here, copy and paste will be there. Control C and control you can see here. Okay. So this is a control copy and paste. So that already we have seen in MS Word also. Same how to do the same process you have to follow here. And one more thing will come here, it is a layout already. See, just you click a layout, so same the themes will be available. Layout design, reset and section. If you want to make section also, add you can section. See that side, left side you can see here, when you put the section is coming one by one. Okay, so it will come the section, one section, two slides. If you take another section, second another sections will come. So if you want to be add section wise, like if you are making one PowerPoint slide only, two, three contents are there, then you have to be keep the slides. I am removing this one. Okay. This is a slide, and this is text. Regarding text, text box here. So regarding the text content, other text style you can check here. This is which kind of text style you want, you can take here. Okay, text size you can take here. Okay, this is you can increase decrease text, or you can say here bold and italic. Okay, you can take kind of think you want. See, this is you want to make bold, b or click, so somewhat will come the thick. So when you want to be make italic, just you have to click the this italic or control I. So somewhat this is come curve design, so italic design you can say. Or if you want to be keep underline, just you can be keep this one, it will come the underline to the whichever you selected text will come the underline. And you can use here strike out. If what you written here is not good, so if you want to make show the false or wrong, then you can use a strike out. Okay, that you can use a strikeout option you can use. And here one just thick and come, just changing of styles you can see here. This is just thing, first you have to select here and change it. So, so these are the related to the text only. So this we can we see very tight. Okay, width of difference of word to word. See, tight, normal, loose, very loose. Okay, more spacing. You want to space different one to one. So you can also here already 12 font is there. 20 to 15 also 15 you can keep. So you can be you can keep the gap between the text. See, you can see, understand. See, tight, normal, loose, very loose, more spacing. Still you want more also, you can be keep more expanded. So this is for spacing characters, you can say that is an. And one more, this is for the increasing letter of, just you click here, it will be increase the letters. Okay, and this is the decreasing you can use. Okay, both you can use the decrease and increase. And here come sentence case, uppercase, lower case. See, already now normal we have the written. If you want to be uppercase, just you will first you will take here lower case, means all letters will be lower, second ABCD. And uppercase means all will be in the capital. Capitalize each word means if you have many words are there, many letters you written, each one you want capitalize. First letter will be capital, remaining small. First will be capital, remaining small. And toggle key is the totally opposite of capitalize. First will be small letter and remaining all big one. So this is one for letter one. And this is for again font color. See, this is already black is there, you want to change the font color, you can change the font colors. Okay, this is the font colors you want to change, you can change. Okay, and you can be select here. So alignment also will come here. Alignment I'll tell you. See, already this is alignment, left I am taking here. So here come the insert. See, bullets are there. Okay, I am selecting, you can see here insert. Okay, and you can be keep numbers also you can use. So 1 2 3 numbers and column numbers. Okay, you can use for that one, that is the bullet number. And this is the numbers, you can be change the numbers 1 2 3. And 1 2 3 also, under 1 2 3 different kind of numbers will be there. 1 2 3 Roman number, this design ABC. Okay, this we can do it. And you can use center also. If you want to be keep center you can keep the font. Or if you want to keep last right side, you can be keep right side. Justify means both sides adjusting when you're writing the letter format. So it should be end both side properly. So that, and this is come under the columns. You know that already we have seen all these things in the Word. If you want to make column wise, suppose I have one content is there. I want to make column wise. You can use the column wise also. So how it's coming in the printing page, same way you can use the column wise. And here indent already we have seen left indent, right indent, okay, you can use. And here line spacing between the words, so you can see here line spacing. So here you can see one normal, one line to another line gap, that is called line spacing. You can check 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So depend upon your work, you can be keeps normally to default one will be there. You can be increase the that line spacing also. Align text, so the text is that you want to be keep here in top or middle or bottom. See, suppose I will delete here 5. So this I already it's coming the top, okay. I want to make this the alignment as down. Suppose I have I want to make here, see it's a top, now I made middle. So all letters are coming here, you can see middle. And bottom, all bottoms coming. So depend upon your setup you can be use it. And text direction, suppose this computer is now is horizontal, you want to make text direction change. See it's ABC 90 degrees coming, so you can see here it will come turn like this, okay. If you want to be change like this or like this, okay, depend on many are there. So depend upon your design you can be put it, okay, or you can be put normal. So this is somewhat looking very good attractive, you can be change the directions. And convert to smart art. Smart art, you know already we have seen this. You want to be convert smart art, you can use the smart art. You can use, take any kind of design, you can be write as a text. So if you are doing any project, it will be helpful you very. And these are the shapes already from paint to MS Word, everywhere shapes will be there. So which kind of shape you want, you can be take here. See, I have taken this shape, okay. One more shape I will take you because I have to explain somewhat else, okay. I'll change. If you want to change the shape color, just you select here. So here related shape will be there. You can see here fill color, okay. Already now one color blue is there, you want to be change red color, I can keep red color. This is beautiful. Outline shape, so red outline I am keeping here green. So it will be outline means border of that one. And you can click here shape effect. So which kind of effect, you can say present shadow. If you want to keep, you can keep shadow also, okay. You can take 3D also you can take. So depend upon you, you can set the design of this one when you taken the your shapes. So many kind of shapes will be there, depend upon your work requirement you can take, okay. First let us see arrange, how to arrange back to front, front to back. Suppose now blue color is there upside, you want to send back, just you click, it will go send, red is coming up. Or if you want to bring upside this one, you can check here bring forward. Or you can check here bring front, so it will come the front. Here arrange will be there, so whenever up to down, down to up, middle one you can be make it the this one you can make. If you want to make grouping also, you can make group, control X. See, I'm making here group. When I make group, two content will be join here. Select a group, when I drag, two images coming. See, I made it group one. If you want to be ungroup again, right click here, ungroup. See, when I select, only one is coming. Group, ungroup. So when you make group in 3, 4, you can be make the grouping. Otherwise, you can be utilize it one. And you can see again after group, you can see here quick styles. If you want to this kind of any styles you want, already styles will be there. That kind of styles you can be take, that is called quick styles you can say. And here shape fill, already told how to shape fill it one, okay. You can be fill the shapes, okay. Shapes outline also can keep. So if you want to change the outline size also, suppose I have selected this outline has blue. I want to be check here. Pictures also you can keep here. So pictures not available. So shape outline I want to make somewhat thick. So you can see this is the line will be there outside border line. So you can see this picture I will keep kept blue outline. So somewhat you can make the thick outline also, you can be make it outline. And shapes already we have seen. See here more are there dashes. Which kind of colors you want, you can say I'm keeping dashes. I have selected, I want to select this one, I will be keep linings of dashes. So here you can see now these are coming the dash. See border is coming dash. So this is the kind of design you are setting in the image. So shapes also you can click here shapes. Now shadow, if you want to keep the shadow of this one, you can be keep somewhat shadow, or reflection you want. So somewhat see designs you can see here. And grow, which kind like you want to be, keep like designs. And soft effect you want to be keep. See you can see observe the picture when I'm doing this one. So these are the effects. So bravel design. So these are related to the image design. So this is about image designing of shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. And we'll see and find, replace and select all. Find, replace already we have seen there. If you want to find anything in the matter of content, like any particular word, you can be find out. If you want to replace that one, you can be replace. Already computer already have written here. So I want to make that replace. I want to be computer as a replace some more things. Like I want to make this one as hardware. Okay, just I'll keep here hardware. So when you click here replace, so computer has changed here hardware, that is called replace. And select all, select object. So if you want to select all, you can be use control A. Okay, it will select all, otherwise one by one you can select it. So I think it's a very helpful you for basic learner of PowerPoint. And who don't know PowerPoint, they can also, while watching my videos, you can learn basic PowerPoint, Word and Excel, Paint, Notepad. If you want more videos, please like and comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.